gets a real chance. Assault rifles and carbines used by Delta Force, publicly known. SIG MCX Spear LT, a modular, lightweight rifle that adapts fast, built for real-world operators who need flexibility and precision. HK416D, a piston-driven workhorse that stays clean and reliable, proven from Abbottabad to Mosul. Absolute trust in harsh conditions. SIG M7, chambered in 6.8mm, designed to defeat modern armor with extended range and serious stopping power while staying controllable. SIG MCX Rattler, compact, suppressed, and lethal, favored for close quarters and stealth missions, quiet and decisive. SIG MCX Spear, full size and rock solid, handles high-pressure rounds with ease, built for accuracy when every shot matters. Nightforce ATACR Gen 3 optics, precision glass trusted for long-range dominance and absolute clarity. Short, brutal, and engineered to win. Obsessive craftsmanship defines this tier. Match-grade accuracy throughout. Every control feels intentional, almost custom-built for elite shooters. Boutique quality meeting the highest operational standards. Nightforce ATACR Gen 4. Improved controls and a refined rail system push an already elite optic even further. Faster adjustments, better ergonomics, and modern capability that operators genuinely appreciate. Colt M4A1 SOPMOD Block 2, a classic warhorse proven across decades of combat. The free-float rail improves accuracy and provides ample room for mission-specific accessories. This is a rifle special operations units trust without hesitation. Precision and sniper rifles. Barrett MK22 ASR, extremes versatility. Barrels and calibers can be swapped in minutes to match the mission. From Iraq to Afghanistan, this rifle is the definition of adaptability paired with long-range precision. Knight's Armament SR25, semi-automatic speed with bolt-action level accuracy. Trusted by Delta marksmen for more than 30 years. Fast follow-up shots without sacrificing precision makes it a perennial favorite. Knight's Armament M110A2 SAS. Refined ergonomics and improved balance dominate mid to long-range engagements. Smooth recoil and consistent accuracy across variable distances make it a reliable battlefield asset. HK417, familiar 416 ergonomics, upgraded with 7.62 stopping power. Designed for situations where targets use cover and barriers. When penetration matters, this rifle delivers with authority. Purpose-built tools, no compromise. Every system chosen because it works when everything else fails. Big Brother firepower with comfortable carbine handling. The HK417 gives Delta operators a heavier punch in a familiar 416 style layout. It excels when targets hide behind cover and distance matters. The HK-G28 is a dedicated marksman rifle built for extreme precision. Heavy-duty construction and crystal-clear optic mounting make it a trusted tool for CAG and allied elite units engaging distant targets with confidence. The Barrett M107A1 is a lighter evolution of the legendary 50 caliber rifle. Designed to disable vehicles and defeat hardened cover, it delivers overwhelming authority on any battlefield. The Macmillan TAC-50 has proven its reputation through world record long-range shots. When targets sit beyond 3 kilometers, this bolt-action system delivers unmatched precision and raw power. The MK13 Mod 7 in 300 Win Mag provides serious reach with classic bolt-action reliability. Rugged, precise, and consistent, it remains a favorite for specialists who demand absolute confidence at distance. Now, submachine guns and PDWs. The Sig Sauer Rattler is backpack-sized but delivers true rifle-level performance. Compact, powerful, and brutally effective when space is limited, it represents Delta Force's ideal personal defense weapon. The HK MP7A1 is a tiny platform built to defeat modern body armor. Extremely controllable in rapid fire and easy to maneuver indoors, it excels in close quarters and VIP protection roles. Clean, efficient, and purpose-built, these weapons reflect Delta Force's philosophy perfectly. Speed, precision, and overwhelming capability without unnecessary excess. Next up, the B&T APC9K. Swiss precision precision distilled into an incredibly compact package. Designed for smooth, controllable operation in tight spaces, this is modern efficiency, built for close protection and high-risk urban work. Now we move into machine guns, where Delta Force brings overwhelming dominance. The Knight's Armament LAMG delivers serious, sustained firepower in a surprisingly portable form, a lightweight, belt-fed platform with excellent recoil control. It provides heavy punch without the traditional weight penalty. The FN Mark 48 Mod 2 brings full 7.62 authority to a single operator. It offers squad-level suppression without the need for a dedicated gun team. Hard-hitting, man-portable, and brutally effective. The M240L takes a proven medium machine gun and strips weight using titanium components without sacrificing durability. This is world-class sustained fire at extended ranges in a lighter, more agile package. Then there's the legend, the Browning M2HB. Over a century of service proves its value. 50 caliber devastation against vehicles, structures, and fortified positions. An absolute icon of American firepower. Finally, the M134D Minigun, an electrically driven system that sends thousands of rounds downrange per minute. It creates a relentless wall of fire. The ultimate vehicle-mounted or aerial defense weapon when total dominance is the objective. Continuing with launchers and anti-armor systems, the M320 is a versatile 40mm launcher, usable under a rifle or as a standalone platform. With a wide range of ammunition types, it dramatically expands tactical options, a compact explosive solution when operators need immediate impact. Next, the M32MGL, a 6-round revolving grenade launcher capable of saturating an area in seconds. One operator can deliver devastating explosive firepower on demand, a true game changer for breaking ambushes or clearing fortified positions. The Carl Gustaf M3 recoilless rifle brings multi-purpose firepower to the field, designed to engage armor, bunkers, and personnel with equal effectiveness. Swedish engineering gives Delta Force a heavy-hitting anti-armor solution in a shoulder-fired package. Then there's the M72A7 Law, lightweight and disposable, built to solve armor problems fast. Operators can carry multiple units without a weight penalty. Simple, reliable, and highly effective against hardened targets. The FGM-148 Javelin represents the peak of anti-armor dominance. Fire and forget capability with a top attack profile that strikes the weakest point of modern tanks. Its advanced seeker system makes it brutally effective, proven across mountains, deserts, and modern battlefields. And finally, we move into tactical robotics and drones. The Black Hornet Nano, a palm-sized reconnaissance drone that delivers real-time video from beyond walls, corners, and rooftops. Near silent, discreet, and invaluable for situational awareness before operators ever make contact. It scouts hostile areas completely undetected, a life-saving intelligence tool for urban reconnaissance missions. Next, the Throwbot 2, a ruggedized ground robot built to survive hard throws and keep operating. It delivers critical visual intelligence while keeping operators out of danger. Mobile eyes that scout ahead during building clearances. Then there's the Anduril Ghost X, a long-endurance autonomous aerial platform equipped with high-depth imaging, designed for advanced surveillance and extended intelligence gathering. A powerful airborne asset capable of monitoring large operational areas for hours. FPV drones have changed the battlefield entirely. First-person view systems allow precise scouting and rapid target acquisition. Fast, agile platforms that adapt instantly to evolving threats. Compact, flexible, and now a core part of modern special operations. Now we move to shotguns. The Benelli M4. Its unique gas-operated system delivers exceptional reliability under extreme conditions. Semi-automatic speed paired with legendary Italian build quality. Fast, rugged, and perfectly suited for breaching or close-quarters defense. Next, the Remington 870 MCS, a modular combat shotgun that can switch between full-length and compact configurations in minutes. Adaptable, dependable, and trusted for decades. A classic platform refined for modern mission flexibility. Mission-specific adaptability from a single pump-action platform. Simple mechanics that work flawlessly anywhere, anytime. The Serbu Super Shorty is built for one purpose: blowing doors open. Ultra compact and light enough to holster without getting in the way. A specialized breaching tool made for fast, aggressive entries where every second matters. Now, let's move into breaching and specialty tools. Nico 9-bang flashbangs. Multiple rapid detonations designed to overwhelm senses without causing permanent injury. Delta Force uses them to dominate rooms instantly during close quarters clearing. Non-lethal, but absolutely decisive. Next, the CTS Model 7290 flashbang. One massive burst that floods the room with light and sound in a single moment. A global standard trusted by elite units worldwide. It buys those critical seconds that decide the fight. Then there's the Slap Charge, a pre-configured explosive designed for rapid door breaching. Magnetic placement ensures consistent results under pressure. Simple, fast, and effective. Momentum stays intact during high-speed raids. Now to handguns. The Glock 19 Gen 5. The unit's trusted backup pistol because it just works everywhere. Improved grip, refined barrel, and legendary reliability. When everything goes wrong, operators know this sidearm will not fail. And finally, the Staccato P, a race gun soul wrapped in combat durability. Fast, incredibly accurate, and remarkably flat during rapid fire. Precision and power combined into a sidearm built for professionals who demand absolute control. Delta operators love how it handles when speed matters most. Up next, the Staccato XC. That built-in compensator absolutely kills muzzle rise. It shoots soft, shoots fast, and stays flat even under aggressive strings. This is the compensated pistol other pistols wish they could be. Pure performance with no drama. Now, the SIG P320 M17. Fully modular by design. Slides, frames, and grip modules can be swapped to fit different mission needs. Tough in the field, easy to maintain anywhere, and simple enough to service under pressure. Reliable enough to trust when there are no second chances. Then, the SIG P320 M18. The compact sibling that delivers full power in a smaller frame. Easier to carry, faster to conceal, and still hits hard. Elite units appreciate the low-profile size without sacrificing capability. Next, the SIG P320 X5 Legion. A weighted grip module that soaks up recoil like a sponge. Competition-grade accuracy paired with real-world durability. This is serious engineering. Built for shooters who demand control, shot after shot. Now, the Glock 43X. Ultra slim and incredibly comfortable to shoot. Easy to conceal, while still offering confidence-inspiring handling. When blending in matters as much as firepower, this is a top choice for low visibility and civilian clothes work. And finally, the Glock 48. The same slim profile, but with a longer slide and sight radius. Improved accuracy without sacrificing concealability. A perfect balance of precision, comfort, and discretion for operators who want more reach in a thin, easy-to-carry package. Wears comfortably all day without printing. It feels like a full-size knife in hand, but carries like a compact on the belt. Continuing with edged weapons. Winkler Knives Belt Knife. Hand-forged American steel, built for demanding professional use. It stays razor-sharp and survives brutal abuse. A no-nonsense tool trusted for everyday carry. Winkler R&D Tomahawk. Perfectly balanced for breaching and close quarters work. A modern take on a timeless tool that still proves remarkably useful in contemporary operations. Spartan Blades 514 Dagger. A classic double-edged profile made with modern materials and precision. Designed for specialized combat and utility roles. Elegant in form, brutally effective in purpose. Benchmade Infidel, an out-the-front automatic that deploys instantly with one hand. Sharp, reliable, and lightning fast when seconds matter. A premium option for immediate blade deployment situations.